He reached up. He pointed at my drink. I said, "You want a sip?"
Right. He's going to want his chicken tenders fried. Is that correct?
Yeah, he already.
Okay, well, I'm just trying to see because I might have wrote it down wrong. We got 2 fish meals,
Right.
1 kid's grilled shrimp with green beans,
Right.
and 1 kid's grilled chicken.
No, fried tenders.
Fried chicken, sorry. Yeah, I wrote down grilled, so good thing I checked.
I'm glad you checked.
Sorry about that. And I'll grab you ice in a second.
You got it?
Yeah, I had 8 people down.
Hey, that's not what we said.
I got it on video.
What was you doing?
The song started and you went.
I can't believe it. Billy he's that lemon. Loves it. I've got one. I just took it out and laid it on the table if you want to get it.
I did too, baby. It's good.
Yeah, we wanted you to buy all of us one. Deal.
It's ready to order it.